Welcome to the HR Academy's channel. Today we'll be doing some classic algebra, starting with solving for x. Just to be clear, we're solving for x, not looking for your x. At least this one gives us answers. It's one of the most important skills in algebra, and pops up everywhere, so let's break it down clearly. Take this equation. 2x plus 5 equals 15. Our goal is to get x alone on one side. That means we need to do the opposite of what's being done to the number 5. Step 1. Subtract 5 from both sides. 2x plus 5 minus 5 equals 15 minus 5, which gives us 2x equals 10. Step 2. Divide both sides by 2, since we want x only, and not 2x. 2x equals 10 becomes x equals 5, because we divided 10 by 2. And now we have found x. X just wanted some attention. Classic drama queen. Now we're expanding brackets using the FOIL method. First, outer, inner, last. No, not the aluminum kind. This one's for binomials. Example, x plus 2, x plus 3. Using the FOIL method, these are the steps we would use. First, x times x equals x squared. Now outer. X times 3 equals 3x. Next step is inner. 2 times x equals 2x. Last step is last. 2 times 3 equals 6. Now, let's combine the like terms. X squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 becomes x squared plus 5x plus 6. So when you expand brackets, just multiply carefully and combine your terms. Like cooking, mix it all up, and hopefully you don't burn the equation. Let's look at the difference of squares. A unique and powerful identity in algebra. It's like algebra's version of a magic trick. There is an identity that is like x squared minus y squared is equal to a x plus y, x minus y. Why does this work? We will use the right-hand side to show why this works. Using FOIL, x plus y, x minus y is equal to x squared plus xy minus xy minus y squared. Since xy minus xy will cancel each other out, it gives us x squared minus y squared. For example, 9x squared minus 16. Both 9x squared and 16 are perfect squares, so we use the square roots for both terms. The square root of 9x is 3x, and the square root of 16 is 4. Using the identity, that means 3x squared minus 4 squared is 3x plus 4, 3x minus 4. This identity only works when both terms are perfect squares and they're being subtracted. Subtracted, not added. We don't want algebraic heartbreak here. Now, we will be discussing factoring trinomials. When we factor trinomials like x squared plus bx plus c, we're basically matchmakers, looking for two numbers that multiply to c and add to b. For example, we need to factor x squared plus 7x plus 10. The first step is to find two numbers that multiply to 10, and also add to 7. The two numbers that multiply to 10 are 2 and 5. We also need to check if they add to 7. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So the two numbers we are looking for are 2 and 5. Since we have found the numbers 2 and 5, the second step is to write it as x plus 2, x plus 5. This works because if you expanded x plus 2, x plus 5, using FOIL, you'd get back the original expression of x squared plus 7x plus 10. Math love story complete. Now we will be simplifying algebraic fractions. Simplifying algebraic fractions means factoring and cancelling out common terms. It's like tidying up your desk. We get rid of the clutter and keep only what really matters. A clean equation is a happy equation. For example, 2x squared plus 4x over 2x. For this equation, firstly we need to factor the numerator. The common factor for the numerator is 2x, because it can go into 2x squared and also 4x. So when we factor, it will become 2x, and in brackets, x plus 2, because 2x squared divided by 2x is just x, and 4x divided by 2x is just 2. Now we can put it back into fraction form. 2x, x plus 2, over 2x. The second step is cancelling the 2x in the numerator and the denominator since they are the same term. After cancelling the 2x, what will be left is x plus 2. Be sure to only cancel terms that are multiplied, not added. Cancel wisely, this isn't a group chat. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment below with any topics you want explained next. Algebra doesn't have to be boring. Let's keep learning with clarity, confidence, and a couple of good laughs along the way.